Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today we're making lemon bars. This is a wonderful citrusy dessert with a beautiful shortbread crust and a creamy lemon filling. I'll walk you step by step through how to make this delicious bar. And we know it's a good recipe because it came from America's Test Kitchen, the Cookie Cookbook. But let's get started on making these delicious lemon bars, and I'll show you the ingredients. The first thing you want to do is take a 9 by 9 inch pan and make a foil sling. You want 2 pieces of foil, one going one way and one going the other. Then fit it down into the pan perfectly and spray it with cooking spray. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to make our crust first because it will need to bake while we make our filling. We'll mix up our crust ingredients in the food processor, and you'll want 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using salted butter for mine. Now the original recipe calls for unsalted butter, but if you're using unsalted butter, go ahead and increase the salt you add to your mix to a 1/2 teaspoon. You want your butter to be softened and cut into tablespoon-sized pieces. First, I'm going to pulse the sugar, salt, and flour together. Then I'll add my butter. You just want to pulse this about 8 times until it resembles coarse meal. Then add that right to your prepared pan. You'll want to shake it to even it out, and then press it into an even layer. I always use the flat bottom of a measuring cup. Now we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven and bake it for about 20 minutes until the crust begins to turn brown. Next, I want 1/4 cup of lemon zest. I'm using a microplane zester to get the very top layer only. You want to avoid the white part because it can be bitter. This has a lot of lemon flavor in it from the lemon zest and the lemon juice. So it'll be 1/4 cup of lemon zest and 2/3 cup of lemon juice. And that's ready for our lemon curd filling. Next, whisk together 2 whole eggs and 7 egg yolks. Add that to a medium saucepan, but don't turn the heat on yet. My crust is done, just lightly brown. That was in the oven for 20 minutes. So into my egg mixture, that's 2 eggs and 7 egg yolks, I'm adding 1 cup of granulated sugar plus 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. We'll whisk that together until just combined, and then we'll add in our lemon juice, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. I have 1/4 cup of lemon zest and 2/3 cup of lemon juice. I'm just going to whisk that into the egg mixture. And then just add a pinch of salt. Here I'm adding in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then turn that on medium-low heat. I only want to cook this until the butter is melted and the mixture reaches 170 degrees. This will take about 5 minutes, but you want to stay with it and stir constantly. Okay, that's perfect. Then we'll take it over and strain it through a fine mesh strainer. This process will just make the mixture silky and get rid of any egg pieces and larger pieces of zest. At this point, you want to stir in 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Give it a stir and pour it into the crust. I'm going to put this back in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes and bake it until the center is slightly jiggly and the filling has more of an opaque look. Okay, it's been in the oven for 15 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. It should be a little bit jiggly, and it is. It's kind of opaque. I believe that will be perfect. Okay, we want these to cool completely. We'll put them on a wire rack and cool for at least 2 hours before we cut into them. Okay, now our lemon bars have cooled for 2 hours. We're going to remove them using the foil sling that we made. Lifts right out. And then we're going to cut it into 16 serving pieces. They cut really nice with that firm shortbread crust. Okay, for serving, we want to give these a little bit of a sugar sprinkle. All right, now let's give this a taste test. That is so lemony, absolutely delicious with that tender shortbread crust, that creamy filling. This is so delicious. You have to try it. Oh man. If you've never made lemon bars, follow my instructions because the recipe from the America's Test Kitchen is absolutely decadent. This is the first time I've made them and I'm just blown away. So, so good. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hope's Homemade Kitchen as we made lemon bars with the America's Test Kitchen recipe. Check out some of my playlists. This one will be going into my desserts playlist, so take a look and I'm sure you'll find something you like. We'll see you next time.